Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Yeah, good morning. So we'll wait for 1 minute, then I'll start. 45 is the strength. So last class I gave a numerical, right? Have you solved that? So if you are not answering, I have to call a particular person and I have to ask this. That's what I can do. Huh? So last
Yes,
class
ma'am.
I solved. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer you got?
For lime, I got 3320,100 ppm.
That is in ppm. Can you convert in kilogram and tell?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So convert this weight in the kilogram. That means lime requirement and the soda requirement. Others also I'm going to ask. I'm going to ask you to show the notebook also to check whether you have solved it or not. I'm going to give some homework questions also. Okay. Because I told you this is a compulsory question. You will be definitely getting in the exam. Okay. So in that case, definitely you should know how to solve these questions so that it will be helpful for you in the examination. Okay. Yes. Mohammad Farhan. Mohammad Farhan. Are you there, Mohammad Farhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you solved this question? What I said in the last class? Lime soda calculation.
No, ma'am.
No. So what were we doing when I solved this question in the class? Actually, I solved about around 50%
Yes.
in the last class, right?
Yeah.
Did you write it in your notebook or not?
One second.
It is not one or two students I'm taking class. It is for the all 65 students I'm taking class. Deepa is there in the class now. Deepa? Deepa, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Solve this question. What is the lime requirement, ma? What is the lime requirement? So last class we were discussing about this one only. Lime 18.82 we got, magnesium bicarbonate 100 we got, and HCl 11.5, aluminum sulfate 34.8, and magnesium chloride 12.63, and calcium sulfate 22. So these are the answers we got already, right? I told you to calculate the lime requirement. Can you say, Deepa, what is the formula to calculate lime requirement? Yes.
I was absent for the last two classes.
You was absent in the last class. Monday 10 o'clock class.
Yes,
Monday you was absent.
yes,
Okay, let me check the attendance then. Okay, what is that? Ayush Giri is here. Ayush Giri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So last class you was present or absent?
I was present. Yeah, I was present.
You was present. Okay. Can you tell the formula for lime requirement?
Wait, I need to check my notebook. No, ma'am.
Huh?
I cannot. No, ma'am.
Absent, huh?
No, I was present, but
You was present. So
not
what is
read.
formula?
I have not
What is the
written.
You are not?
I have not written that one.
Okay. That one, what were we doing when it is in the class? Chris Joshi. Chris Joshi. Chris Joshi is yet to join. Absent. Frequently, I can hear only few students answering in the class. So it means that I am teaching only to those students. I told many times it's very important. You need to solve it, and this type of question will come in the exam also. I said. I'm not going to
Ma'am, is the
permit now.
answer
What is the answer? Tell me.
135.53, 131.53?
131.53 is the line requirement in ppm, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you say in the kilogram for 1 liter and 30,000 liter, Rohit?
Ma'am, 3945900.
Yes, that is in milligram.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, for 30,000 liter, no, Kushal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So in kilogram, can we write 3 point, what is that other number? 3.95 kg.
945.
Yeah, it is 3.95 kg, the lime requirement. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so that is the answer. Check, are you all getting that answer? 3.95 kilogram. Others, could you please raise your hand, those who got 3.95 kilogram for 30,000 liters of water?
Oh, ma'am, that's not the final answer, right?
No. 84 percentage purity I did not calculate. For 100% I'm
Okay.
telling. For 100%. Yeah, could you please raise your hand, those who got 3.95 kilogram for lime, 30,000 liter for 100% purity. We had to calculate for 84 percentage. Only 7 students, 8. Yeah, 15 students got this answer, but our class strength is 65. See, what is the problem? It is a laziness, or you could not follow the class. So I want to know, because any one of these reasons is possible for this one, right? Out of 65, 20 raise their hands means 45 is not able to understand, or it is because of their laziness or not attentive in the class. What is the reason why the 45 students have not raised your hands? May I know the reason? Let me call, like 21 raised, so I leave those students. Adiray Nathan, are you there, Adiray Nathan?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
What is the problem, pa? You didn't raise your hand. Why you did not solve this question?
Ma'am, in the substitution of formula, I didn't understand that part, ma'am. Other than that, I understood, ma'am.
So you calculated that requirements, that what I displayed in the last class.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Last class, what you did, I did, ma'am. But the extra sum you gave, I didn't do that, ma'am, because I didn't understand that part alone, ma'am.
Extra sum I didn't give you, Adiray. Only one sum only I gave.
Yes, ma'am, that one, ma'am. Ma'am, last class I noted down everything, ma'am. But I mean the lime requirement formula, I was not able to substitute, ma'am.
Okay. Any one of you again facing the same problem what Adiray Nathan represented? Karthik Malik?
Ma'am, even I didn't understand that temporary part and permanent, which to substitute. I was confused
Okay,
that.
very good. Karthik Malik, I will explain. Karthik Malik?
Yes, ma'am.
At least have you copied down what I wrote it in the last class in my this thing?
Yes,
This
ma'am, we
part,
followed everything.
this copied, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, then I will extra slide I'll put now. Okay, so because I was teaching in the board, then I came to that laptop part, so that is the reason why I could not write down properly, but anyway, I'm telling the numbers. You please note it down correctly. So if you look into this, we got all these things. Like what is that? See, others, please listen carefully. After this, I'm going to give a numerical. I will call out any students out of the 65, and I ask you to display your notebook by enabling your video. Okay, so please listen carefully if you did not listen in the last class. Okay, so the question was like we need to calculate lime requirement, soda requirement for the 30,000 liters of water, which consists of various impurities: calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, HCl, aluminum sulfate, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate. Okay, and this lime soda calculation I taught you in the last class, last to last class, how to do that. Okay, so we need to convert the impurities in calcium carbonate equivalent. So 30.5 is the weight of impurity given in the question itself. 162 is the molecular weight. Multiply by 100 because we need to convert in calcium carbonate equivalent. So equivalent weight of calcium carbonate is 100. So 30.5 divided by 162 into 100. Okay, that is for calcium bicarbonate. I did not write it here. Actually, that is calcium bicarbonate. Okay, you can write CaHCO3 twice. Okay, and what is the requirement? Okay, how to calculate the requirement? If you look into that, you 30.5 divided by 162 into 100. If you do this calculation, you will be getting 18.82. Okay, and look into the lime soda calculation. The calcium bicarbonate requires only lime. So I wrote L equal to 18.82. Okay, and then if you see magnesium bicarbonate is another impurity given in the question paper itself. Okay, and 73 is the weight of impurity given in the question, and 146 is the molecular weight multiplied by the 100 to convert into calcium carbonate equivalent. And if I simplify this, I will be getting 50. But magnesium bicarbonate, the requirement is 2L. If you see the lime soda calculation, I wrote 2L. So 2L means 2 into 50. So that comes 100, right? And next one, hydrochloric acid is another impurity given in the numerical. For that, 8.4 ppm is the weight of impurity. Molecular weight is 36.5. You have to divide that and multiply by 100. We'll be getting 23.01. But again, if you look into the lime soda calculation, for HCl, the value is of L plus S. So 23.01 divided by 2 will come 11.5. Of L equal to 11.5. Of S equal to 11.5. And then see aluminum sulfate. Again, it is given in the question. Its weight of the impurity you see in the question paper. Actually, I not do that. Divided by molecular weight in 100. You will be getting 11.6. But for aluminum sulfate, the requirement is 3 into L plus S. Look into the calculation again. So 3 into 11.6, you will be getting 34.8. And then comes magnesium chloride. Again, if you do the calculation, weight of impurity divided by molecular weight of impurity into 100. You will be getting 12.63. Okay. And for magnesium chloride, the requirement is L plus S. So it is 12.63. Then comes calcium sulfate. Again, for calcium sulfate, you have to use the formula weight of impurity divided by molecular weight of impurity into 100. You will be getting 22.05 after simplification. Okay, so these are the data we got before we find out the lime requirement. Do you have doubt in this? Please ask right now before I move further. Muskan Rao. Muskan Rao.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever I thought so far, how to find out lime soda requirements, LS values.
We did that in last class also.
Last class. Yeah, Soumya.
Yes, ma'am.
Shrestha.
Yes, ma'am.
It's clear. Jainjia.
Yes, ma'am.
Braham Agarwal. Braham. Braham Agarwal. So Braham Agarwal is absent. Yes. So any doubt? I think it's clear now. So I am going to proceed further now. After this, we have to calculate the lime requirement. Okay. So for lime requirement, what is the form? Okay. What is the formula we have to use? That part only you people said it is not clear. Let me explain. So it is L lime requirement equal to. If you see the formula is 74. Okay, 74 by 100. Why 74? Can anyone say?
100 parts of calcium carbonate.
74 parts of the calcium, lime. So that is why. And we have to substitute now. What are the things? That is what your doubt. So if you see the lime soda calculation, in that part, I taught you like where and all lime L is coming in the tabular column. That impurity we should take into account. Okay. So we solved now calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium sulfate, aluminum sulfate, and then HCl, everything before this slide I explained to you. Just tell me where and all that L is there. Deepa. Deepa. Deepa, can you hear me? Yeah. So can you see that the one which we solved, where L is coming, ma? I think she is having network issue. Adirainathan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you see now, Adirainathan, where L is coming?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah. First one, you take first one, that is calcium bicarbonate, correct?
Yes, ma'am. We have an L, ma'am.
We have an L. So we have to take that impurity. So what is the weight you got, Adirainathan, which we wrote in the last class? 18.82?
Yes, ma'am. 18.82, ma'am.
Okay. That we have to write it here. Okay. And next one, can you see and tell me?
Ma'am, 2L 100, ma'am.
2L 100. So we have to write that L here again. Another one?
Ma'am, HCl
half L. Yeah,
S.
half L. What is the value of L, pa? 11 point?
11.5, ma'am.
11.5. Okay. Then where and other part where L is coming again?
Ma'am, Al2SO4 thrice, ma'am.
3L. 3L. What is the value 3L?
Ma'am, 34.8, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry. 34. It is not 8. See, it is my cursor is going somewhere else. So please write down. It is 34.8 students. Okay, it is not 8. 34.8 is the aluminum sulfate. Okay. And that is 3L plus S. And then where again L you noticed?
Ma'am, magnesium chloride 12.63, ma'am.
Yes. 12.63. Is there any other impurity where L is mentioned?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. CaSO4, it's only S, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So this is the way you have to substitute in the lime requirement. Okay. For that, you should know the tabular column, what I taught 2 classes before, that lime soda calculation, how L is coming for calcium bicarbonate, how 2L is coming for magnesium bicarbonate, and then how L plus S is coming, how 3L plus is coming. All these things I explained in the lime soda calculation. That tabular column you have to remember. Then only you know whether to write L or to S for calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium sulfate, all other things. Okay. Is it clear now, Lasia?
Yes, ma'am.
It's clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So please do the simplification and tell me what is the answer you are getting for this.
131.54.
131. I think if I use board, it will be easy for me. 131.9 5.
54.
54. So it is the milligram per liter, correct? So what is the question? If you look into that, they ask you to calculate for 30,000 liters. Okay. So for 1 liter, 131.54. Okay. And for 30,000 liter, how much? You have to multiply by the 131.54 into 30,000. How much will you get?
3946.
Yeah, 3946 after simplification.
206.
Yeah, 39462. 2.
0.
So I write 00. Okay, fine. 00. This is again milligram. Right, milligram only. I want to convert in kilogram. So milligram per 30,000 liters. So I want to calculate per kilogram how much. So I have to divide by 10 to the power 6. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because milligram to gram divided by 1000, gram to kilogram divided by 1000. So altogether 10 to the power 6. So if I divide by 10 to the power 6, I'll be getting 3.94 kg. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is the lime requirement for 30,000 liters of water, 3.94 kg. Is it clear, students, the lime requirement? Yes. So look at the question. They asked us to calculate 84. Actually, the question, if you read it, they told calculate the amount of lime within the bracket 84% pure. Okay, means lime is not 100% pure. If we assume 100% pure, we can say that lime is required. What is the lime required? 3.94 kg. But it is not 100%. It is only 84% purity. So means I need to add more. Okay. So for 84%, how much I have to calculate? 84% of the pure lime. So that is like 100 by 84 into 3.94 kg. Okay, 3.94 kg. How much will we get?
4.7 kg. 4.7, yeah.
4.7 kg. See, look at the answer. For 100% purity, we need 3.94. When it is increased to 84, means the purity is less, then we need more amount of lime to be added, right? So 3.9 always from 100%, if the purity is less, you need to add more quantity of lime. That answer you have to look at that. 3.94 for 100% pure, but I want to calculate for 84% pure. Means I need to add some more extra quantity of lime. So it is 100 by 84 into 3.94. It will come around 4.7 kg. That is the lime requirement. Any doubt here, students, with this with respect to this part? If you have doubt, you can ask now before I move further for soda requirement. Clear? Huh? Always you'll keep silence, but when I ask, nobody will answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, if you're doing 84% of lime, wouldn't we do 84 by 100 instead of 100 by 84?
No. It is 80 in 100 gram. The purity is 84%. Right? Like we calculated 3.94 kg for 100% pure. We want to know for the 84% pure. Means 100% purity, we can add lesser amount of the lime. But for 84%, if you put 84 by 100, it will come below. Right? So yeah. So in that case, it has no meaning, right? Actually, 100% you can add 3.94 because purity is good. But when purity comes down, definitely you need to add 4 means higher quantity. So it will come around 100 by 84 only, not 84 by 100.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So next we will discuss about the soda calculation. So for soda requirement, S is equal to, what is formula?
106 by 100.
Yeah, 106 by 100. Now tell me, Lasia, could you please tell me where and all S is used? S is coming in the calculation.
Ma'am, in HCl.
Yeah. So what is the value, ma'am?
11.5, ma'am.
11.5. Okay. Plus.
Plus 22.05, ma'am, in CaSO for SS.
22.05. But apart from that, one aluminum sulfate is there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
3S.
34.8.
34.8. Anything is there with S?
No,
Any
ma'am.
other thing? No. Simplify this.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Isn't MgCl2 is there as well?
What?
MgCl.
One more 12.63. One more will be there.
12.63.
12.63, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
That is with respect to MgCl2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
L plus S. Very good. Thank you. Yes, yes. HCl, aluminum sulfate, magnesium chloride, and then calcium sulfate. So what is the answer you'll be getting after simplification? Babik?
80.
Yeah, 80?
85.83.
85.83. So this is milligram per liter. Okay, but what we want to calculate for 30,000. Right, so 85.83 multiplied by 30,000. How much will you get?
2579 2574,900.
2574,900. This is in the milligram for 30,000 liter. Okay, 30,000 liter. Now we want to calculate for in kilogram. So divided by 10 to the power 6. So what do we get? 2.57 kg. Right? Now again look into the numerical. What is the purity of soda?
92%.
92%.
92%. So soda purity is only 92%. Means what we calculated is for 100%. So it is coming 100 by 92 into 2.57. So what we will be getting? I think 3 point something.
2.79. 2.79.
2.79 kg. Okay. So this is the answer for lime requirement and soda requirement for this numerical, for this particular problem. Okay. 2.79 kilogram soda. Any doubt, students, with respect to lime requirement, soda requirement so far? Because you are going to solve now, and I will be call out any student randomly to show your notebook. So if you don't understand, you ask right now itself.
The minor differences after decimal point is accepted, right? Because of approximation.
Yeah. What is your value?
2.806.
Yeah, I also got 2.810. My answer is 2.8, but since he said 2.79, I go. It doesn't matter. 2.81 plus or minus 0.01 is okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, if there is a no doubt, I'll keep this and then I'll show the other slide where the question is displayed. Let me share that part to you. Any doubt, students? How many students are joined? Put your hands down. Put your hands down, all of you. I'm going to call out now anyone so that you can show your notebook after you solve it. Okay. I'll give a time of 5 minutes. Yes, that will be sufficient. Stepwise calculation only. Okay. Yes, this one is a chat. No, it's not chat. I think this is without no purity. Yes, let me check this one. Can you see the equation? Explain with chemical equations and calculate the amount of lime and soda needed for softening 1 lakh liters of water containing the following: HCl, Al2SO4 thrice, MgCl2, NaCl. It's very simple numerical because many things are not there. Purity of lime is 90% and that of soda is 98%. Forget about the second part, 10% of X chemicals. You calculate up to 98% and tell me. Only 3 impurities. NaCl will be taken into account?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. NaCl, Fe2O3, silica, we will not include in the lime soda calculation. Please note this point in your notebook. Do the calculation and tell me the answer. I will be calling out anyone from your class. This is the last class with respect to numerical. Next class I will be teaching lime soda calculation. So this is the last chance to learn. If you did not understand, I will be giving 3 homework sums to you. Okay, that I will be displaying in the slide or in the MS team. I'll post. You solve those things and show it in the next class. Take it as a homework. This numerical now for understanding. I want to test you whether you understood or not. And next class I will be asking the homework sums which I gave to, I will be giving today. Copy down the question in a notebook. I am going to take come out of this page. Copy down the required things in your notebook. I may not be staying in this page. HCl 7.3, Al2SO4 thrice 34.2, MgCl2 9.5, NaCl 29.25 for 1 lakh liters of water. 90% purity of lime, 98% purity of soda. For everything you need to know the molecular weight. That is very important because then only you can calculate that calcium carbonate equivalent. So you should have the practice of remembering all the molecular weight. Anyway, for this you already noted out in the last numerical we got the same impurities. So you can write down from there. Shubham, put your hands down, Shubham. Side by side answer your attendance so that I will open this page and I'll call out anyone. Sanjay.
Present, ma'am.
Soumya.
Present, ma'am.
Ayushi.
Present, ma'am.
Bhavik.
Present,
Bhavya.
ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Nikhil Matthew.
Present, ma'am.
Ritvik.
Present, ma'am.
Karthik. Karthik Malik, absent. Shavan Prakash.
Present, ma'am.
Shreyas.
Present, ma'am.
Likit.
Present, ma'am.
This Karthik Malik was answering, no, in the beginning, very left the. Likit.
No, I'm present.
Who's present?
I'm still in the class, Karthik.
And then I called, Karthik.
Ma'am, it's showing bad quality and hold on, reconnecting.
Okay. Likit Ajish.
Present, ma'am.
Nityashree.
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Singhal. Akhil Srinivas. Shivansh.
Present, ma'am.
Jain GR.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshtyagi. Namya Arora.
Present, ma'am.
Lasia.
Present, ma'am.
Rohit Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Kushal Reddy.
Present, ma'am.
Hemant Sai.
Present, ma'am.
Prakash. Shrestha.
Present, ma'am.
Anushka.
Present, ma'am.
Soumya Jha.
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Farhan.
Present, ma'am.
Lena Sayer.
Present, ma'am.
Abhiraj.
Present, ma'am.
Saumit.
Present, ma'am.
Yuvraj. Vishwanath Rao. Adirai Nathan.
Present, ma'am.
Raj Gupta. Anurodh.
Yes, ma'am.
Prakrit.
Present, ma'am.
Aish Giri.
Present, ma'am.
Pranav Nepal.
Yes, ma'am.
Govindam Gupta.
Ma'am.
Shubham.
Present, ma'am.
Yashgar.
Present, ma'am.
Avinash.
Present, ma'am.
Aishwarya.
Present, ma'am.
Anuradh Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Deepa. Sanjana. Chris Joshi. Vaibhav Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am. I'm Krish, present.
Okay. Muskan Rao. Rinosh.
Present, ma'am.
Manan Goyal.
Present, ma'am.
Pragya.
Present, ma'am.
Braham. Sita Sai.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Who is
I'm
present?
present.
When I called
I'm
very
Braham.
went. Braham, when I called very went, I
Uh-huh.
already noted you as absent. Did you see in the chat? Huh? Braham.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sita. Sai. Deepya.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Sanjit.
Present, ma'am.
Jain Bishnoi.
Present, ma'am.
Harshita.
Present, ma'am.
Devamitra.
Present, ma'am.
Anirudh.
Present, ma'am.
Leona.
Present, ma'am.
Disha Datta. Rehan.
Yes, ma'am.
Vaibhav Mathur.
Present, ma'am.
Balaguru Gugan.
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Raya.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah, I noted all your attendance. Now I'm going to call out. Okay, the same student should be there in the class. Okay, yeah. Someone showing us leaving. Okay, so I will be looking here in the login page because attendance page. Don't think attendance is over, you can go out because already I noticed 2 students left the meeting now. From 58 now it came to 56. Okay, so I'll call out students now again. If the student is not there, I'm going to mark absent. So what is this culture? Suddenly after attendance, this student, 2 students left out. Solve this question.
Solving, ma'am.
Yeah. And all of you, can you raise your hand who want to solve this answer? Again, only 14. Akhil Srinivas, yeah, Anurag.
That 10% of chemicals part
That is not needed. That type of question will not come to you. Actually, earlier we had like that. Now we remove that part. Don't worry about that. Up to the purity, you calculate, Anurag. Akhil, Anushka, Avinash, Ayush Giri, Braham Agarwal, Banu Arshita, Devamitra.
Ma'am, I have solved for lime, but I am doing for soda as well.
Hurry up, hurry up. Time limit also is there na in the exam. Soumya, Shrishta, Yash, Jainjia. I'm going to download the attendance now. Earlier also I downloaded. Who are the 2 students left out? Let me check and then I'm going to mark absent to them. Because in downloading attendance we can check what time the particular student joined and what time he left. Okay. Yeah, how many? 33, 50%. No, yeah, I think 60% of students raise their hand. Very good. What about others? Please hurry up. I'll give 2 more minutes. Then we'll discuss the answer. Okay, I'll ask someone to display the answer also. Hurry up, students. It's very simple numerical. Only 3 impurities are there. Chris Joshi, any doubt? Chris Joshi? Okay.
I'm just doing the calculation, ma'am.
Hurry up, Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
38. Okay, remaining. Hurry up. I'll be calling anyone student to show your notebook. Definitely that answer should be there in the notebook and with steps. I cannot leave you with before that. 40. Yeah, very good number. Yeah, 16 more as 2. 42. Very good. Yeah, very good. Because it's very simple numerical. Only 3 impurities. Solved, you can take down, you can copy down the question which is displayed here in the slide so that you can take it as a homework sum and do. The one which is displaying right now, the one students who have finished the previous one, before I ask one student to show the notebook, you can copy down this question. Calculate the amount of lime and soda required for softening 50,000 liters of hard water containing calcium bicarbonate 25 ppm, magnesium bicarbonate 144 ppm, calcium chloride 111 ppm, magnesium chloride 95 ppm, sodium sulfate 15 ppm, Fe2O3 25 ppm. Take down this question. Calculate the amount of lime required for softening 50,000 liters of hard water containing calcium bicarbonate 25 ppm, magnesium bicarbonate 144 ppm, calcium chloride 111 ppm, magnesium chloride 95 ppm, sodium sulfate 15 ppm, Fe2O3 25 ppm. Here no purity things and all asked. So very simple again.
Can you go back to that question?
That one, okay. Just to see how many. Yeah, 51 raised their hands. Yeah, I will share it again. Calculate the amount of lime required for softening 50,000 liter hard water containing calcium bicarbonate 25 ppm, magnesium bicarbonate 144 ppm, calcium chloride 111 ppm, magnesium chloride 95 ppm, Na2SO4 15 ppm, Fe2O3 25 ppm. Please copy down this. Hurry up. I'll ask the answer for this question in the next class. Yeah, 53 students have raised their hand. Very good. Braham Agarwal, yet to raise your hand. Karthik Malik. What is the problem? Karthik Malik. How suddenly number is increased from 56 to 58 again? I didn't understand actually. Sita Sai, Raj Gupta, Pranam Nepal. You had to raise your hand. Others have raised their hand. 54 I can see. Only 4 more students. Hurry up. Anyone will be called to show your notebook. So you cannot raise your hand without solving. That is also very important. Braham, Pragya, Pranav. 3 of you had to raise.
Well, I don't know how to solve. I missed the last classes, so.
Last class you was absent, Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pranav was absent, Deepa was absent last class. But okay. Abraham? Braham Agarwal, are you there? Braham Agarwal. This boy, already in the chat I mentioned him as absent. Right? Now again I'm calling this boy is not able to answer. What is the problem? Braham Agarwal. So I am unable to give the attendance for this guy. So okay. I'll call out the student from your group to enable your video and also keep your notebook ready. Okay. Yes. Nikhil Matthew. Nikhil Matthew?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please enable your video. You need not to show your face. You can show that notebook. Okay, because I don't know whether you're prepared for the class or not. It's okay.
Yes.
But I understand it's 8 o'clock. You can display your notebook. That's sufficient. Could you please keep it away? Yeah, let's see. What is the answer, Pa? This one?
Ma'am, for lime, I got 4.1 kilogram.
4.1, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all getting
with impurity?
Yeah, with 30,000 liter, no?
Yes.
Sorry, 1 lakh liter and impurity.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the answer? Others? Can anyone? Yeah.
Lime is 4.1 kg and soda is 5.4 kg, ma'am. After impurity. Yes, ma'am. Soda is 5.4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you all getting what Nikhil said now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what is lime value? For 80. What is the purity? 90.
90%. 90 for lime and 98 for soda.
For 94%, how much for lime? Answer. 94% lime purity. What is the answer in kilogram?
It's 90%.
90.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
4.1 kilogram for 90% pure.
Soda?
Soda is 5.4 for 98% pure.
I put it in the chat. Kindly check whether you are all getting this answer. Thank you, Nikhil. Thanks for responding. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Nice. You can disable your video. Maybe Leona Joseph.
Yes,
Leona.
ma'am.
Yeah. Are you getting the answer what I posted in the chat, ma?
Ma'am, I'm getting 26.3 and 35.6. I'll check my calculation now.
Is it for that purity or for 1 liter or 30,000, 1 lakh liter?
For purity, ma'am.
Purity itself, you are getting this. No, ma. No, that is wrong. Yeah. Adirainathan, are you getting right now?
Yes, ma'am. I'm getting the answer, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Lasia. What about Lasia?
Yes, ma'am, I got.
Very good. Very good, ma. Devamitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Are you getting this answer? Any problem in getting this answer? Please stay back and ask your doubt. I'm here only.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm getting that.
Okay, ma. Thank you. Very good. I think you understood the concept right now. Thanks for responding and raise your hand. Please keep this interaction in the coming classes also. So in tomorrow class, I will ask the answer for the question which I displayed today. Okay. Please spend some 10 minutes of time to find out the answer for the question. Those who could not understand, please stay back. 2-3 minutes I will be teaching to you if you are okay for that time. Others you can leave. Thank you.
Ma'am, I got it. It's not. I multiplied 300 and I added 300 instead of 30. So I got it. My AL to SSO I got as 300, but it's 30.
Okay. Then you're getting now. Yes. The 3L plus S you need to use it. Okay. So thank you all. If anyone of you having doubt, you can stay. Pranav Nepal. If you want to understand, you stay. I'll teach you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.